So, good morning, all. I welcome you all in this 53rd lecture of DSA. In last lecture, we have studied about the construction of binary tree, how we can construct a binary tree if we have been given with the post order and in order, or post pre-order or in order. We have seen examples of the same. We have constructed multiple trees with the help of two traversals we have been given with. We have, I think, also started the application of the binary tree, that is expression representation, how a mathematical expression can be represented using a binary tree. We have seen that. So we are continuing
through
from the
board mass
same.
rule.
We are continuing from the same point. Same example I am taking right now again. Lots of confusion was there in the last class at the end. So I thought that I need to start, or I need to recap the points that I have created, that I have discussed in the expression representation using a tree. Should I start now?
Yes, sir.
So first question is that A star B. What will be the representation of this as a tree?
सर स्टार आएगा नोड रूट नोड और ए और बी उसके चाइल्ड होंगे.
What rule we are following for the construction of this binary
बोर्ड
tree?
मास
Can
बोर्ड
anybody
मास
tell me?
बोर्ड मास.
What rule we are following? So we need to check the expression, whatever given to us, and we need to find the solution of the expression as we are doing in the mathematical calculation. Okay. So right now, suppose now if a simple expression is there, a star b plus a star b, so operator will always be as the internal node, and operands will always be an external nodes. That you need to take care. In any tree, operator will be in the form of internal nodes, and operator operands will be in the form of external nodes. Leaf nodes with me it means. Okay, so A star B will have a tree look like this: A star and B. Star will be at the root, and A and B will be the left and the right childs of the star. So is it okay now? Is this is clear or not?
Yes, sir. It is okay.
Second one I am taking. Before moving on to the example, I should take an example that is in numerical form, okay, so that it will be more clear to you all. Let us suppose that this is our example: 3 plus 5 plus 9 star 2. Brackets are also there. Okay. Now, आप सबसे पहले किस पर्टिकुलर ऑपरेशन को सॉल्व करेंगे? अकॉर्डिंग टू बॉडमैस
5
रूल,
5 plus 9
5
bracket
plus
1.
9. Very good. So the
ब्रैकेट में करेंगे सर.
5 plus 9 will be solved first of all, because the brackets are there, and according to Bodmer's rule we need to follow the we need to open
ब्रैकेट
the
ओपन.
brackets first. So first of all we will open the internal bracket, that is 5 plus 9. Okay, and now the
14.
5 plus 9 can be written as 5 plus 9. As I have already explained, in every mathematical expression, or root node will be a operator and the leaf node will be a operand. So 5 plus 9 will be represented as this way. Okay. Now the result of 5 plus 9 is 14. Okay. 5 plus 9 is 14, and it will be multiplied by 2. As per the given expression, it will be multiplied by 2. Yes or no? Like if I am trying to solve it parallelly,
Yes, sir.
आई एम ट्राइंग टू सॉल्व इट पैरेलली मैथमेटिकल वे, ताकि आपको समझ में आए. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव टेकन दिस पर्टिकुलर एग्जांपल. So 9 plus 5 is 14. Now 14 will be multiplied by 2. So now 14. Now this tree, look at that tree that we have already made, 5 plus 9. That results in 14. So this will be a 14 now. This whole tree is a 14. 9 plus 5 is 14. Okay. Now this will be, the result of this will be multiplied by 2. So this let us suppose that this is a particular node. ये एक node है केवल. Okay. Now with this node, what we will do? We will multiply it by 2. Is it clear
2.
now? The
Yes,
result of
sir.
this will be like एक तरीके से क्या बनेगा ये 14 multiplied by 2 कुछ इस तरीके से बनेगा 14 multiplied by 2. But 14 आया कहाँ से? 14 is this 3. 9 plus 5. So we will replace 14 by 5 plus 9. Order must be same. You need to take care of this thing also. 5 should be the left child and 9 should be the right child. ऐसा नहीं होगी 9 and 5 replace हो जाए आपस में. Okay. Is it
So,
okay now?
sir, the 2 which we are multiplying, it can't be on the left hand side with 14.
It could be onto the right hand side of 14. Actually 2 is at the right of plus star. You see in this expression 14 into 2.
Yes, sir.
If star is the root node, then 14 will be the left child and 2 will be the right child.
Okay,
That's
sir.
why I have put that particular thing onto the 2 onto the right side of star only. Okay. So now the result of this is 28. It has to be added with 3 plus 28. So now this whole will be a single node. Consider this plus 5 plus 9 into 2. All the tree will be a single node. Okay, now 3 will be added to it. So addition will be the root node of this. Yes or no? Okay, and the right child is 28, which is given by this tree, and the left child is 3.
3.
In this way, we will create a tree actually. This is the whole tree for this expression that is given to you. 3 plus bracket 5 plus 9 closing bracket multiplied 2 closing bracket. So this is the whole tree for that. Is it okay now? Is there any confusion right now? If you have any doubt, you can ask, and we will have some
No,
help
sir.
us
It
on
is
that.
okay. सर प्लस जो एडिशन है वो ट्री को ट्री से जोड़ने का वर्क कर रहा है एक ट्री को दूसरे ट्री से.
मल्टीप्लीकेशन भी यहाँ पर है. प्लस जरूरी नहीं प्लस ही होगा हमेशा यहाँ पर. Plus is an operator. It could be plus, minus, multiplication, divide, power, whatever it is. It could be any operator of mathematics, any binary operator of mathematics. We are talking about binary tree, so binary operator must be there. Like plus is a binary operator. Plus, minus, multiplication, divide, power. All these are binary operators. So binary operators we will talk about only. तो जरूरी नहीं कि प्लस हो, प्लस जोड़ने का काम करें. Okay.
मॉड्यूल भी आएगा.
So now this is a tree. Now look at that tree. What are the properties of that tree actually? Is this a binary tree first of all?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir, it is
Is it a strictly binary tree?
No, sir.
Is it a strictly binary tree?
Yes, sir. Strictly
Yes, sir.
binary.
It is a strictly binary tree because every node has 2 child except the leaf node. So every leaf node by default has 0 childs and every other node has 2 childs. That's why it is a strictly binary node. No node has degree 1 in this case, in this tree. Okay, now look at that again. All the variables, or we can say all the operands are where they are situated
Leaf.
as a leaf node. All the operands, any expression you will take, sare operands, all the variables must be at the leaf node. No operands will be at any internal node. ये हमेशा आप ध्यान रखिएगा. It means कि every operands must have 0 child. They have to be of 0 degree. उनकी डिग्री क्या होनी चाहिए? हमेशा 0 होनी चाहिए. और हर ऑपरेटर की डिग्री कितनी होनी चाहिए?
1 नहीं 2.
Every operator must be of degree 2. It means हर ऑपरेटर के 2 चाइल्ड्स होने चाहिए. Okay, that's why they must be an internal node. वो हमेशा internal node होंगी, या root node या internal node. Like you will look at that. Plus is at internal position. Multiplication भी internal node है. Plus again this will be an internal node. So all the operators will be at internal nodes and all the operands must be as an leaf node. ये आपका एक रूल होगा. कभी भी ऑपरेटर या ऑपरेंड जो है वो इंटरनल नोड नहीं बनेंगे. Is it okay now? Is there any doubt now? If you
सर
have any
एक
doubt,
बार पिछला स्टेटमेंट रिपीट करना सर जो अभी जस्ट आपने कहा है.
every operator must be as the leaf node. They will never be a internal node. Okay, they must be of degree 0. All the operands like 3, 5, 9, 2 are of degree 0 now. उनके कोई चाइल्ड
Okay,
नहीं
sir.
है. Now look at that next question, that is a plus b star c. Okay. Now with the help of that, I will try to show you the difference of or the effect of the brackets that may also affect the construction of the tree. Right now I am having only a plus b star c. Okay. So what the like 8 minute. Copy. Paste. Okay, this particular question is there. Now let me put some brackets over there. A plus B star. So what will be the tree or copy? Paste. I'm changing the position of brackets.
सर यदि प्लस ऑपरेटर की जगह माइनस आ गया तो
Now we are going to make a tree of all these three expressions. They are three different expressions. So now we are going to make a tree of these three. Okay. So बताइए, can anybody help me?
Yes, sir.
यस सर हेल्प करेंगे.
Okay, चलो. Let me know what will be the tree. आप लोग बनाइए अपनी कॉपीज में. You just take your notebook and pen and
1 मिनट सर.
draw it.
Done, sir.
Good. So for first one, a plus b bracket में and multiply c. What will the tree will be?
So first we will solve the bracket.
ब्रैकेट करेंगे
So
उसमें प्लस
output
का.
is
हाँ ये सही है. बी. अब इसको प्लस
Now,
को
sir,
जोड़ देंगे
multiplication.
मल्टीप्लिकेशन
Multiplication
ऑपरेटर से. और
होगा.
इसका सी.
for second one it will be
First bracket multiplication. Now, sir, जो प्लस वाला सिंबल है उसका राइट चाइल्ड होगा ये पूरी जो अभी नोट बनी है.
and for third one
So same as this one.
Same.
same as this one. Very good. Because by default it is being solved first. B into C will be solved first. So now look at that, how the bracket affects the output of the tree also. So be careful about that. Okay, you need to take care. Whatever the bracket is given, we need to solve them first. This will be the output of the above trees, even if they are the expressions with the same output, same operator, same operands, but only the appearance of the brackets reflects the output. Is it okay now? Now, one more thing I want to convey over there is that please look at that on the computer with the mouse. I am trying to maintain the levels of the notes. So you all are supposed to do also in your notebook with your pen and paper. Okay, वो जब भी आप एग्जाम लिखें या जब भी अभी से जो प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, look at that 5 and 9 are at the same level, plus and 2 are at the same level, 3 and multiplication will be at the same level, and that this will be at the same level. जो प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है, कई लोग इनके लेवल्स को ऊपर नीचे कर देते हैं. लाइक सपोज यहाँ पर भी प्लस एंड सी जो है वो सेम लेवल पे है. इट शुड बी एट द सेम लेवल एक्चुअली. कुछ लोग जो गलती करते हैं वो क्या होती है, ए मल्टीप्लीकेशन बी सी यहीं आएगा क्योंकि उनको लगता है सी यहाँ आएगा, देन प्लस, और ये इस तरीके से आते हैं. इज दिस करेक्ट? नो. आपको लग रहा है कि ये आउटपुट बिल्कुल सही है ट्री एज इट इज है, बट दिस इज नॉट करेक्ट because at that level it is not complete tree. Okay, the result, this will be considered as a single element, so that's why it is x only. So this will, C should be there actually at that level. So level of every child or every operator needs to be a matter actually. मैं शुरू से बोल रहा हूँ आपको कि every like tree must be created like if you are creating by hand, it must be created very carefully. I think you have noted that I try to discuss those particular points जहाँ पर students गलती ज़्यादा करते हैं. मैं हमेशा आपको वो चीज़ बताने की कोशिश करता हूँ. Because we have we used to check the copies and we found that these particular small mistakes students actually like what we can say by chance कर देते हैं उनको आता नहीं है whatever it is. सेम मिस्टेक्स मेरे स्टूडेंट्स नहीं करें. दैट्स व्हाई आई डिस्कस दोस मिस्टेक्स विद यू ऑल ऑलवेज जब भी मुझे लगता है कि ये प्रॉब्लम है मेरे लिए. So keep that thing in your mind and try to make a good thing. Now
सर
come on to the next
सर पीछे वाली स्लाइड पे जाना सर. वो ये आपने बनाया है, ये गलत कैसे है सर?
आप बताओ बेटा गलत कैसे है. मैंने इसमें 2 मिनट लेक्चर दिया अभी जस्ट अभी भी लेक्चर दिया और जैसे खत्म किया और आप बोल रहे हो कि गलत कैसे है.
सर समझ में नहीं आया सर.
बट बेटा ये सी जो है वो दूसरे लेवल पर नहीं है. इट इज नॉट एट द करेक्ट लेवल. इट शुड बी एट दैट दिस पर्टिकुलर लेवल. ये लेवल होना चाहिए इसका. C will be at that level with multiplication. It should be
अरे
a
हाँ, ये फर्स्ट लेवल पर होना चाहिए.
आपके आसपास जो माहौल है ना वो बेटा माहौल चेंज करके पढ़ाई में दिमाग लगाओ आप.
सर कोई नहीं है, मैं ये अकेला हूँ सर.
हाँ सब लोगों को सुनाई दे रही बेटा आवाजें. ओके नो इशू. चलो बस 1 घंटा पढ़ लो फिर दिवाली मनाएंगे अपन. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. यहाँ पर कुछ और क्वेश्चन दिए. यू नीड टू सॉल्व इट. सो आई एम ट्राइंग टू सॉल्व दिस पर्टिकुलर लास्ट वन. So you all are required to solve it in your copy. A star A cap 2 plus B cap 2 plus 2 star A plus A star B. Okay. So what does this cap means?
Power.
Power.
Exponent.
Power. So power will also an operator. So this will be treated
Star
as
star operator.
no star operator. This will be treated as power only. Okay. बताइए आउटपुट विल बी.
Sir, first of all, we will solve 2 star A star B.
A cap 2. A cap 2. Then what?
Plus
Sir,
of
B cap 2 at
B
the
cap
same
2.
level.
Now is there any
No.
relationship between A cap 2 and B cap 2?
Addition.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
they are both
Addition.
added.
Addition is there. So should we combine this now or we should combine later on?
Later, sir. Because
बात में.
according to
Later
God marks,
on.
we have to solve the higher priority first.
B cap 2. Is it clear to all what I am going to do?
Yes sir.
I have now made 2 different T's. A cap 2, B cap 2. Now plus is there. Okay, now we can apply that plus over there. So now 2 star A star B. What I will do now?
Sir, we will solve 2 star A then star B.
2 star A. Okay. So 2 star A and then the result will be multiplied by
B.
B. Now what?
Now we will add first and second sub tree.
Okay. Then
Then the
तो
result will be added
So
by
first
this
and
tree.
second will be added by third.
अब थर्ड को ऐड करेंगे प्लस अब थर्ड को.
अब क्या ये ट्री सही बना है बताइए.
सर सही है.
Is it okay?
ओके है सर. ओके है.
Can anybody find the mistake in that?
So,
Yes.
so we have same operators all through A and B.
Hmm.
So, sir, why can we not utilize the first and second A and B to solve the 2 star A star B?
Or anything else anyone has to observe?
Sir, A power 2, B power 2, and 2 star A star B are all on same level, sir. But 2 star A is on another level from this.
Level problem is there actually. First problem is that level problem, because star is the star, that star. That is B. This star I am talking about. This should be at that level. तो इन सबका लेवल एक एक ऊपर जाएगा. I have deliberately made this mistake. अभी भी जस्ट मैं डिस्कस कर रहा था और उसी को मैंने इम्प्लीमेंट करने की कोशिश करी. So all the levels, all these nodes will be one level up now. And Divanjali, I think Divanjali was there, who has said ki A and B are common in between these two.
Yes, sir.
So it does not matter. Okay. So like अलग-अलग situation, अलग-अलग values हैं. We can take it. अब मान लीजिए कि A की value 5 है और B की value 10 है. So how you will solve it now?
एक सिंगल क्वेश्चन में तो कॉमन ही होगी ना सर, मतलब अगर हम वेरिएबल सेम यूज करें.
Obviously common ही है ना? So how you will solve it? Suppose mathematical expression you are dealing with, do not take it as a
Yes, sir. We need to
10,
take it
suppose it is
separately.
5 to the power 2 plus 5, 10 to the power 2 plus 2 into 5 into 10. So we are solving it separately. We are not merging them. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So in tree also we will take it separately. Okay, no issue in that. But the thing
Yes,
is
sir.
that the level must be at that. तो इसका level यहाँ next node यहाँ इस level पे आनी चाहिए. Plus star यहाँ आना चाहिए. Okay, then the star this will be at that. Here the B will be there, and here 2 and A will be there. Actually. Is it okay now?
No,
Yes or
sir.
no? तो ये हम यहाँ से हटा देते हैं.
सर एक लेवल ऊपर किया है.
Is it okay?
No, sir. Please repeat it again.
सर बी कहाँ गया इसमें?
ये क्या दिख रहा है आपको? B नहीं दिख रहा? थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर
हाँ
दिख रहा
हाँ
है.
हाँ.
This is B and this is A. What I have done is I have just made the nodes at same level. That's it. Nothing else. Okay. Now, one more complex operation I am going to take.
Sir,
Yes.
can you please repeat it again, sir?
Yes, sir. Last part.
Yes, sir. 2 into A into B, how you constructed it.
यस सर, इस पार्ट को दोबारा रिपीट करो.
बच्चे ये देखो 2 star A. Is it okay? Why? How I have created this one? 2 star A.
Yes, sir, because of the same level.
हाँ, like what I have done is आपने देखा मैंने initially इसको जानबूझ के एक लेवल नीचे बनाया था. 2 star A then B and this. So because of that, at that level plus का कोई sibling नहीं आ रहा था. यदि मैं इसको undo करूँ तो चलेगा क्या? नहीं चलेगा. ओके. सो प्लस और स्टार का सिबलिंग आना जरूरी है. मतलब प्लस का सिबलिंग होना जरूरी था यहाँ पर. इससे पहले जो ट्री मैंने बनाया था वो जो स्टार था वो इस लेवल पे आ रहा था. थर्ड लेवल पे 0 1 2 लेवल पे, सॉरी, यहाँ आ रहा था ना. जैसे मैंने यहाँ बनाया था, मैं इसको यहाँ साइड में बना के बताया था आपको. प्लस सॉरी स्टार बी स्टार 2 एंड ए, ऐसे बनाया था मैंने. एंड प्लस का सिबलिंग ये आ रहा था. सो इस प्लस का सिबलिंग कोई था यहाँ पर? नहीं था. It is not correct actually. That's why I have shifted all these into upper to one level up. Is it okay now?
सर ये ब्रैकेट सर एक तरह से इनके लेवल डिसाइड कर रहे हैं। अगर हम 2 into a के बीच में एक और ब्रैकेट अज्यूम करें
तो वो उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा बिकॉज बोथ आर हैविंग द सेम प्रायोरिटी। यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लिकेशन और ये सब सेम प्रायोरिटी पे है। इज इट ओके? इज दिस क्लियर नाउ?
सर अभी हमने 2 into a लिया है तो इसकी जगह a into b भी ले सकते हैं। नहीं ले सकते।
क्यों नहीं ले सकते चलो बताइए।
सर 2 फिर लेफ्ट में आएगा और a और b
अच्छा
राइट में
क्वेश्चन
शिफ्ट
पूछा
हो
लेकिन
जाएगा।
मैंने अनजाने में पूछा लेकिन अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा है। 2 into a into b है, we have taken 2 into a first and then result will be multiplied by b. Why we cannot take a into b first and then result will be multiplied by 2?
Sir, we follow associativity rule while solving.
Associativity we will follow actually. Okay, the first
यस सर
left
लेफ्ट
to
में
right वाला हम follow कर रहे हैं। I think it is okay now. तो ऐसे कुछ एग्जांपल और हैं। मैं एक एग्जांपल लेता हूँ आपके जो कि आया भी हुआ एग्जाम में। 2x plus y to the power cap 5 to the power 5. Draw the tree for that. Yes. Who can solve it?
It will be sir 2 star x.
Very good. और कोई ऑप्शन? एक ने जवाब दिया फटाफट, देखते हैं वो सही है गलत है। First of all, any other option? Anybody wants to solve it? Or give it
सर सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करें सर पेज ले लें।
सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करें। आपका क्या करना है इसमें? देखो बताओ आंसर क्या है। इतनी टिपिकल एक्सप्रेशन थोड़ी है कोई। 2x plus y to the power 5. This is an RT question.
So first brackets will be solved.
Okay, so what will be the मतलब tree for that 2x plus y?
So first 2 into x and then it will be added with y.
2 into x. It means 2 multiplied by y. Sorry, x. This
Yes, sir.
x.
And then we'll add it with y.
And y will be at what level? Like it is a sibling of x
One
or
level up, one level up.
वन लेवल फर्स्ट लेवल पर
y.
प्लस ऑपरेटर
And now what about 5?
जीरो लेवल
Sir,
पर
it will be at the power.
So it will be a sibling of
The
plus or
whole
minus?
result will be at the power and then 5. Huh.
हाँ अब सही है।
Is it okay?
ओके सर ओके है।
Any changes anybody wants to add? कुछ modification करना चाहेंगे कोई? So it is okay now. This is correct. 2x is nothing but 2 into x. So multiply यहाँ पर hidden है. तो आपको यहाँ पर ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा इस चीज का। तो जो गलती करते हैं स्टूडेंट क्या करेंगे यहाँ पर 2x एक साथ लिखेंगे एंड y एक साथ लिखेंगे प्लस यहाँ कर देंगे। Okay, so that is a mistake. This is not a single one. This is a multiplication of 2. That is 2 into x. Is it clear to all now? ये चीज ध्यान रखने वाली है।
यस सर क्लियर। मैथमेटिक्स में भी मल्टीप्लाई को अज्यूम करते हैं।
Very good. So minus this one can solve 5 minus x star y plus 6 divided by x plus z. इसको solve करें फटाफट कोई भी। I am giving you 1 minute and I will ask a random student.
सर ये मैंने खुद पूछा था कि अगर प्लस की जगह माइनस हो तो क्या होगा।
प्लस की जगह माइनस होगा तो माइनस करेंगे और माइनस मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। इसमें पूछने की क्या बात
ऑपरेटर
है?
यस सर
मुझे तो ये समझ नहीं आ रहा है पूछा क्यों था ये क्वेश्चन। प्लस की जगह माइनस होगा तो मैथमेटिक्स इक्वेशन में क्या करते हैं हम लोग?
माइनस करते हैं।
तो क्यों पूछते हो क्वेश्चन ऐसे? पूछा भी था मैंने और मैंने बोला भी था बेटा कि पांचों ऑपरेटर्स में से कोई सा भी ऑपरेटर होगा इट विल वर्क लाइक द सेम वे, प्लस मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवाइड माइनस और पावर। ऑल आर बाइनरी ऑपरेटर्स, कोई भी ऑपरेटर इसकी जगह होगा, हम सब सेम तरीके से काम करेंगे. Do it fast. 5 minus x multiplied by y plus 6 divided by x plus z. Can anybody like show me his or her work on notebook? But they are,
Yes, sir.
जो आप कर रहे हैं अपना वीडियो ऑन करके एक बार शो करें, so that everyone we can see that how we are.
Sir, please
you are-
show the question.
Sorry. Yes, the question is 5 minus x multiplied this one, third one. Oh, third one.
Sir, may I show?
Yes. In order to see, you all need to pin it. Okay.
Sir,
So
this is the question which you are given now.
yes, this is 5 minus x multiplied by y plus 6 divided by x plus z. Is this okay to everyone? Or some modification is there? I think everybody is able to see that particular output. सबको समझ में आ रहा है, सबको दिख रहा है कुछ? रिस्पॉन्ड तो कर दो, yes or no.
Yes, sir.
So is it okay?
No, sir.
So what is the mistake in that?
सर कुछ गड़बड़ नहीं है इसमें?
बताएं. अभी बताया किसी ने कि कुछ मिस्टेक है, तो प्लीज लेट अस नो व्हाट इज द मिस्टेक. बताओ बच्चे.
Sir, solving it.
सर सो तो अब देख रहे हैं.
I am waiting if someone is ready to find the mistake in that.
सही है सर,
Sir?
मेरा भी यही है.
Yes.
Sir, I have drawn with a bit change in it.
Okay, you just show your output.
Yes, sir.
सर मैं भी सोच कर सकता हूँ.
If you have something else from that.
नहीं सर, मैंने अंशुल चौधरी जैसा ही बनाया है.
Okay. Then ना again same चीज हम कुछ और बनाया हो, whatever else. Who is going to like?
Sir, is it visible?
No, it is not right now. Divanji, you are presenting, but still it is not visible to us. What
Sir, is it visible?
now? I have stopped my presentation now. Maybe there.
सर विजिबल हो रही है सर, मुझे तो दिख रही है.
Just a minute. दिव्यांजलि का एक मिनट.
डब्लू जैसा है कुछ.
Yes, sir.
दिव्यांजलि क्यों नहीं शो हो रहा? Okay. Now it is, so it is 5 minus x plus, okay. Which one is the root in this?
Sir, it is not visible, sir, to me.
You need to pin that screen. Like you just go to the Divyanjali, like in peoples में जाओ, Divyanjali पे जाएं, उसके बाद पिन करें, वहाँ पर एक 3 ऑप्शन आते हैं दिव्यांजलि के नाम पे क्लिक करने पर, पिन, म्यूट और एक रिमूव, तो पिन वाला आप ऑप्शन क्लिक करेंगे तो दिखेगा आपको.
सर इसमें 3 रूट नोट.
हाँ, that is what I am
No,
asking.
the plus one is the root node, sir, the
It
middle
is
one.
not,
वो
it
थोड़ा
is
सा
not like clear to us that which one is the root. Either multiplication
सर
plus,
जो प्लस साइन है बीच का वो रूट नोड है, वो थोड़ा सा मैंने लेवल्स का थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम कर दिया
okay,
है,
that
बट जो
is what
प्लस
actually
साइन
I want to convey to all the students from last half an hour. Okay,
समझ
now I
सर.
think all the students have clear about that. What actually I want to from your side. The labels must be very clear to the like whatever we can say evaluator. Evaluators को labels बिल्कुल clear होने चाहिए.
No, ma'am, she's not good.
Okay, so label still is it okay? No, it is still not okay.
सर मुझे तो ये ट्री नहीं समझ में आ रहा.
Because now, y is a child of two nodes. Is it possible for that for any tree? Please arrange your camera again, Divyanjali. It is not visible now.
सर जस्ट अ मिनट, सर आई एम ड्राइंग इट अगेन, जस्ट
No. Let it be. Let it be. Once I need this is good. I like with the help of that I can clear some doubts. Just show it, whatever it is. No matter is it okay or not. With the help of that I want to like clear some doubts. Now tell me, can it be possible that one could be a child of two parents? Like in this y is the child of two parents right now, x multiplication and plus. Is it possible?
No, sir.
And same 6 is the child of two parents. Eventually, is it okay? Oh sorry, anyone else? क्या ये सही होगा हमेशा? दिव्यांजी विजिबल नहीं हो रहा बेटा, एक बार अपने कैमरा थोड़ा स्टैटिक रखो. So these are the common issues that the students are doing. Okay, हमेशा ये प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट होती है. So इसके लिए हमें क्या करना है बच्चे, सबसे पहले आप अपने ब्रैकेट्स को, जो भी ब्रैकेट्स है ना, उनको आप सॉल्व करके अलग अलग लिखते जाओ, एंड देन यू विल कंबाइन वन बाय वन अगेन. तो गुड, यहाँ पर भी हमें दो मिस्टेक्स और दिख रही, लाइक अगेन एक्स जो है आपने कॉमन ले लिया बेटा. एक्स अगेन आपने मुझसे क्वेश्चन पूछा था ना कि ए एंड बी जो है यदि मल्टीपल टाइम.
यस सर, मैंने एक्चुअली अलग अलग सेपरेटली भी ड्रॉ करने की कोशिश की थी, बट मैंने इस बार शायद थोड़ा मतलब ट्राई करने का कोशिश किया कि सिमिलर अगर हो सके तो.
ओके ओके ओके.
मैंने
But it is
जानबूझ
not
नहीं किया
equally
सर.
possible. In that case, again, x is a child of two. That is one minus and one multiplication. So it is not a tree actually. Actually, it is not a tree overall. We can say. So this with the help of that, actually, I want to convey to the whole class. तो इस तरह की गलतियां ना करें. ये कॉमन मिस्टेक्स है जो स्टूडेंट्स करने की कोशिश करते हैं. लाइक सपोज एक्स इज देयर आर मल्टीपल टाइम्स, तो लेट इट बी. ओके, कितनी भी बार है उसको रहने दीजिए.
ओके सर.
और वहां पर अकॉर्डिंगली जो दिया गया है उसी के अकॉर्डिंग ट्री को तैयार करें. You need not
अरे
to.
सर एक्स 2 बार आया, हमने उसको कॉमन नहीं लिया.
So that is what anybody else wants to show something else. हो सकता है उसके से हम कुछ और सीखें. अमन आपने कुछ और बनाया था, आप कह रहे थे.
No, sir. The answer was right, sir.
Yes. So now I am again presenting my screen. So Anshul was right. So how we are doing that one is, I think my screen is visible now.
Yes, sir.
So Anshul is right actually. So what we have done is we have started.
Solve bracket first.
We have started with the first bracket, that is 5 and x and minus. This one is my first bracket, and then the last bracket, that is x plus y, x plus z. So x plus z, sorry, x plus z. Let it be separate. इसको हम separate रहने देते हैं, इसको हम merge नहीं करते हैं आपस में. Okay, so now multiplication plus and divide. So which one has a higher priority? Multiplication and divide. Now we will follow the rule of associativity. So multiplication will be done with this.
Yes.
So multiplication will be done with this. So y will be multiplied by this, and then 6 will be divided by this. 6 divide this will be done. This will be taken place. Okay. Now the result of both will be added. So plus. This is a tree. Is it okay now? Any other?
Some multiplication and divide will be at the same level, no?
Definitely yes.
Okay, sir.
Now again, हमेशा आप ये ध्यान रखिए कि हमें ना डाउन से अपवर्ड में जाना है. कई मिस्टेक्स अपनी ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाएंगी यदि हमने अपवर्ड से अपने आप को ज्यादा होशियार समझा और अपवर्ड से नीचे आने की कोशिश करी. तो टॉप डाउन मैनर में नहीं बनाना है, इसको बॉटम अप मैनर में बनाना है. ओके, इज इट ओके नाउ ऑल?
सर मतलब सही था.
दिस इज ओके, दैट इज करेक्ट. So some other are there. You just try it on your own. Okay. So I think आप इतनी problems हमने कर ली हैं 4-5, so it is enough now. So any question you want to ask on this? How we can construct a tree for this expression? I'm keeping that changes as it is. Okay. Now I am coming to the next topic, that is binary search tree. Construction is done. In this, I have also used these slides, no matter at all. That is binary search tree. Okay, now we have seen the construction of binary tree. हमने construction देख लिया है binary tree का. How we can construct it. Okay. Now we are coming on to the specific tree, that is binary search tree. BST. In short, we says that it is BST. Okay, it's a specific kind of a binary tree. Okay, we can say a subcategory of binary tree which with some specific we can say with some specific features. Okay, now the features could be a binary search tree is a binary tree that is either empty or in which every node contains a value and satisfy the following condition. The conditions could be all the keys in the left subtree of the root are smaller than the key in the root node. You are getting it? All the keys in the left subtree of the root are smaller than the key in the root node. लेफ्ट सबट्री में जो भी नोड्स होंगी वो हमेशा छोटी होंगी अपने रूट नोड से. इट इज ट्रू फॉर एवरी सबट्री. Okay. On the same hand, all the keys in the right subtree of the root are greater than the key in the root node. Okay. तो लेफ्ट सबट्री में छोटी नोड्स होंगी और राइट सबट्री में क्या होंगी? बड़ी नोड्स होंगी. Is it okay? Just read it out and tell me, is it okay? Definition is okay?
सर एक मिनट सर.
All the nodes in the left subtree must be lesser than that node of the root of that subtree. उस रूट से सब छोटे होंगे और जो भी राइट सबट्री में नोड्स होंगी वो सारी रूट नोड से बड़ी होंगी हमेशा.
यस सर, बाइनरी सर्च में हमें डिवाइड कर देते हैं छोटे.
Very good. It is similar to that of binary search that we have learned. In binary search, what we will do? हम क्या करते हैं? हम sort करते हैं and then we find out the middle element and we say that all the elements are onto the left of that middle element will be sorry,
lesser than middle element.
less than the middle element, and all the elements onto the right of that middle element will be the greater than that middle element.
Greater than middle element.
यही रूल यहाँ पर लगने वाला है. That's why it is usually known as binary search tree. So binary search, the rule that we uses in the binary search are being followed in this tree. That's why it is known as binary search tree. Is it clear to all now? Any question? The left and the right subtree of the root are again binary search tree. That is very important because it follows for every node. For any subtree, it is being followed. The rule is same actually. Okay. Now there is a contradictory. That's why I have made it in the red points. No two entries in the binary search tree may have the same key. That's why I am saying only the left side or right side. But in standard books, you may have found, like आप जब टेनिनबॉम पढ़ोगे ना इसकी डाटा स्ट्रक्चर की, तो वहां पर हमें इसका एक सॉल्यूशन मिलता है कि बाइनरी सर्च ट्री में सेम कीज भी हो सकती हैं, बिकॉज रियल लाइफ में इट इज पॉसिबल कि the same value will be there in the tree. So for that, what we will do? Any idea? इक्वल्स टू के केस में दिया बाइनरी सर्च में अप्लाई करो सेम रूल, तो क्या होगा? वो लेफ्ट में लिया था आपने या राइट में लिया था, बताइए. Yes, am I audible or not?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
In binary search tree, what we will do is either we will take that particular equal key if the key value is equal to someone, दो सपोज सेम वैल्यू आ रही है, तो हम या तो उसको लेफ्ट सब ट्री में रखेंगे या उसको राइट सब ट्री में रखेंगे. दोनों में से हम कहीं पर भी उसको रख सकते हैं. ओके, लेकिन आपको ये ध्यान रखना हमेशा कि रूल सेम रहेगा. इफ यू आर फॉलोइंग कि वन इक्वल की इज इन द लेफ्ट सब ट्री, देन ऑल द अदर इक्वल कीज मस्ट बी इनटू द लेफ्ट सब ट्री ओनली. If you are following that once the right equal key will be in the right subtree, then all the keys must be into the right subtree for that particular question. Okay, now look at that. Yes.
So in the last point, if we have equal keys, suppose 2, and we have to keep it at the root node, then how we'll place it?
Okay.
2 equal keys.
So that is what I have just explained. Ki suppose two equal keys are there, then either you need to decide it, like in which part or in which subtree you need to put the equal key, either into the left subtree or into the right subtree. But it should be same for the whole question. कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि दो इक्वल कीज कभी कभी आप लेफ्ट में डाल रहे हो इक्वल को, कभी आप राइट में डाल रहे हो इक्वल को.
So दोनों में से can one be placed at the root node and the other at the left subtree like this?
Yes, definitely, no issue in that.
So but then it will violate the first rule, no? All the in the left subtree should be placed
All
which
the
are smaller than the root.
So मैं यहाँ यदि इसको ऐसे लिखूँ स्मॉलर और ब्रैकेट में लिख दूँ इक्वल.
Yes, sir.
That is what I am actually saying, but I don't actually want to write it over there. Because अभी जो आप
Okay, sir.
पढ़ने वाले हैं उसमें इक्वल की कंसेप्ट यूज ही नहीं होगा. लेकिन I have just discussed that particular thing with you all because हाई लेवल पे जाके कहीं ना कहीं ये डिस्कस होता है. और we can have in real life the equal keys. ये कहीं भी लिखा हुआ नहीं है कि कभी भी हमें एक ही उसमें इक्वल कीज ना मिल जाए. ठीक है, सो अभी एग्जांपल में आएंगे तो समझ में आएगा आपको, डोंट वरी. नाउ लुक एट दैट ट्री. सो नाउ फाइंड आउट एंड लाइक जस्ट लुक एट दैट बोथ द लाइक ट्रीज. इसमें क्या हो रहा है देखो आप, 50 उसके लेफ्ट में सब छोटे हैं उससे एंड राइट में सारे उससे बड़े हैं. इज इट और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, सभी एलिमेंट छोटे हैं.
For
और बड़े.
another subtree, you just look at that. For this subtree, 30 is the root node, and in the left all are smaller, and in the right all are greater than 30. In this subtree, 40 is the root node, all the smaller nodes are onto the left side. In this subtree, 60 is greater. 60 is the root node, all the nodes to the rights are greater than that 60. 70 से left में से छोटे हैं. So it is following for every subtree actually. Same in this. 8 से छोटे सारे left subtree में, 3 से बड़े सारे right subtree में, ऐसे करके. Is it clear to all now?
Yes, sir, it is clear. लेबल के हिसाब से अपने
Okay.
लेबल के हिसाब से सर जमा रख सेट कर रखे.
So अब क्या करना है देखो. अब हमें like let me take an example, then we will create a tree, binary search tree for that. Okay, so let us take the example as random numbers I am taking, say starting from 40, 10, 80, 20, 60, 70, then 30, then 90, 100, and then 90, then finally 50. Is it okay? नाउ क्वेश्चन, दिस
Yes,
इज वेरी
sir.
इंपॉर्टेंट एक्चुअली, अब आपके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। अब हम देख रहे हैं कि ये ट्री बनेगा कैसे। अब आपको ये दिया हुआ होगा,
Sir, grant. Sir,
क्रिएट
इसमें grant.
BST with the above keys, key values.
सर इसमें ग्रैंडफादर होगा 100 नंबर, 100 वैल्यू रूट नोड होगा।
ये किसने कहा आपको?
सर सबसे बड़ा है ना।
अच्छा, वेरी गुड। यहाँ पर सबसे बड़ा 70 था, तो वो रूट नोड क्यों नहीं था? तो यहाँ पर
सॉरी
सबसे बड़ा 14 है, तो वो रूट नोड क्यों नहीं था बेटा?
सॉरी सर सॉरी।
नहीं, सॉरी की बात नहीं है, नो नीड टू से सॉरी, यू आर लर्निंग, आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू। ये अच्छी बात है, ये क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं ना कभी कभी, तो आप लोगों के आंसर्स इजीली मुझे भी पता लगता है कि डाउट्स क्या क्या हैं आपको। अब देखो हाउ वी विल क्रिएट इट। तो अब ये चीज हमने डिस्कस कर ली ना, ये कभी कोई गलती नहीं करना चाहिए। अब यदि किसी ने ध्यान से सुनी है हमारी डिस्कशन, तो कोई गलती नहीं करेगा इसको। ओके, सो हाउ वी विल क्रिएट इट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द वेरी फर्स्ट नोड गिवन टू अस। कभी भी इसमें आप कोई भी हाईएस्ट नोड या लोएस्ट नोड सर्च नहीं करेंगे। सॉर्टेड है या नहीं है इस ये भी मैटर नहीं कर रहा है। ओके, वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 40, वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द वेरी फर्स्ट नोड, एंड द फर्स्ट नोड इज, टेल मी व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट नोड?
40.
So 40 will be the root of this binary search tree. Now we are creating binary search tree, not binary tree. Okay, so 40, then 10, then the next node is 10. Next node is
10.
10. Tell me
Left,
left.
left.
Left hand side.
Very good. Left hand side 10. Now 80. Next node is 80. So 80 will be
Right hand.
Right hand side.
right of 40. देखो, always you need to start insertion from root node. ये point हमेशा ध्यान रखिएगा। तो 40, तो 80 will be greater than 40 or less than 40?
Greater than 40 at the right hand side.
So it will be move on to the right hand side, okay, of 40. Now 20, 20.
Right hand side of 10.
Yes. So first of all, we need to start from the root node actually, okay? So 40, 20 is lesser than 40, so I need to move into the left direction. So now 10, 10 is 20 is greater than 10, so it will be into the right of 20. Now 60.
Less greater than 40, less than 80, then left of 80.
Is it okay how I am putting it? We need to start from root node. Always remember that. कभी भी बीच में start मत करिएगा. 60 greater than 40, move on to the right. Less than 80, move on to the left, and so on. 70. Tell me,
60.
right of?
Right of 60.
Very good. Right of 60.
So can't we put it at 80? Right of 80?
Yes sir, ये भी नहीं नहीं नहीं
क्या 70
Greater
बड़ा
than
है?
80.
नहीं।
Okay, sir. Okay.
Now 30. Less
Left
than
hand.
40. Greater
Left hand.
than
Right of 20.
Right of 20.
10. Right of 20. Look again. I am maintaining the levels. Okay. 100 now.
Right of 70.
Right of 80.
Right of 80. Very good. Right of
Right of
80.
80.
80 से बड़ा है तो उसके राइट में जाएगा वो। 90.
Left of 100.
Left of 100.
Left of 100.
Great. Very good. Now 50.
Left of 60.
Left of 60.
This is a binary search tree for the given data. Here, ऐसे in this way you will create a binary search tree for the given number. Now 40, 10, 20, 30. अब देख लीजिए आप, every node to the right of her node is greater than, and every node to the right of her parents is greater than, and every node to the like smaller than its parents to the left of that parent. ऐसा है या नहीं है?
So sir, we can create for any of the key value.
Definitely
The
for any
BST.
other people, but you need to, first node will be always at the root node. कभी भी बड़ा या छोटा या
Yes, sir.
ऐसा
Yes,
search नहीं
we can place any key value at the first place.
No, only first value at the key place.
First means in the question which we are given, we can place any value at the first
We have been given,
order of the question.
yes, first value of that question will be the root of that tree. Is it okay now?
So like from the BST tree, we can shorten key values.
Definitely. अब इसको आप
If we make it in line,
इसका इन ऑर्डर निकालिए, इन ऑर्डर,
yes sir, in order, yes sir.
इन ऑर्डर निकालिए इसका, but
Then
do it fast. In order is nothing but left, node and right.
30,
10,
20,
10,
10,
20, 30,
20, 30,
then
40,
40,
40,
50, 60 up to 100,
50, 60,
70,
then
80, 90,
70,
100.
70, 80,
80, 90, 100.
100. What is it?
In order.
In order. It is sorted or not?
Yes sir.
sorted.
Sorted है 10,
That is
20,
a
30,
property of
40,
binary
50,
search
60,
tree.
70.
You just read the second statement. If the traversal of a binary search tree in order and the print the identifiers contained in the nodes of the trees, we get the sorted list of identifiers in ascending order. That is the property of the binary search tree, that always whenever we will print the in order traversal of a binary search tree, it will always be a sorted list. Is it okay? क्योंकि तभी इसका नाम पड़ा है बाइनरी सर्च. बाइनरी सर्च में we what we like initially take the sorted list, we take always. Is it okay now? So we have initiated binary search tree also, and now in the next class we will learn about the insertion and the deletion in the binary search tree. That is very important. Okay, so I request you all to find out the pre-order and post-order of this also on your own. Right now, as the time is over now, so we need to close it. Okay,
Okay, sir.
11:03 now. So let me take the attendance first. If you have any doubt, you can ask till now. Till then. So that is all for today. I am closing.